Hello, this is Judy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be working with the December stamp of the month called Christmas Snow Globes from Close to My Heart. It's really cute and it has thin cuts with it for each one of these images, the 4 snow globes, not the sayings. And then it also has a border strip that is like little snowflakes or stars. I'm going to be using that to make a background on my paper. So this is for the layout for anyone who orders this from me, and I'll put a little block here, so stop the video and read it if you want information about my Stamp of the Month rewards program for my customers. You can see I've used it a lot. I really like this stamp set. I'm going to start with the base is off-white, so you can use any off-white you might have. I don't send base pages to customers who are going to get this layout kit because the shipping is too much, but if I see you at one of my retreats or you come pick it up in my house, you will get the base page. So this is the first layout. And I took a rendition of the SVG file that we had this month for Evergreen, and it's this one right here. Of course, it had this beautiful die cut of leaves for the background. I didn't do that. It was way too encompassing. Instead, I stamped a background. And then the second page is similar to this, and that is this one here. So if you order the Stamp of the Month from me, you get this kit. If you order equals $75 or more, you get this kit as well. So you get both of them mailed to you, whatever you need except for the base page. All right, so let's go ahead and make this. I'll show you. So the first thing you do is get your stamp, and we're going to use this little snow stamp here, and I've had it sitting here waiting till I did a video, and now it's got up and walked away. Here it is. And I'm going to use mink ink. You could use linen or any light gray that you may have, or a color too. You could use a color. I wouldn't use a very dark color though, because it would be very distracting. Now on the layout, you're going to get a 4 by 12 inch strip of wood grain paper to put at the bottom here. This is a prototype, so it's going to be a little different what you get in your kits. It'll be a solid piece here that'll go edge to edge and cover the bottom. So it'll be 4 inches. So you only need to stamp that much, the 8 inches. You don't need to do the top either, because I did give you a little zip strip of pattern paper to put there. So you're going to start a little bit down, and this is almost 6 inches across, and it meets up really nice here. So I'm going to go a little off. See, I'm going to start off about a 1/2 inch from the edge this time, and that's so it doesn't line up perfectly and it makes it look like a piece of pattern paper. And the next one, I will go back to the side here, so it's right on the edge. And then this one too. Now, if you have a couple little bald spots in the middle where there's no stamping, you can go in and just ink the edge and put it there, or same with the sides if you miss some of the side stamping. So that's what you do, and with the magic of video, I already have one done. And I also glued the base and the zip strip, and what this one had was a zip strip of the wood grain, the same as this. So that makes it easy enough. So you're going to receive, this is 7 by 8 matte for the center. And the original SVG file made it I believe a 5 by 7 photo in the middle. I cut it down to a 4 by 6 because that's more of what everyone uses. And this red piece is just going to be offset. It's not supposed to cover all the way around this black mat. And then I'm using this in place of a photo. And then this is a little scallop piece that they put under here. And then you'll get a title. It says Wonderland. Some of them are glued together. get pieces to make your acorn. You might have to punch out a couple of these little pieces. And you can use ink to distress, glitter, glue, stickles, whatever you would like to gussy it up. And let's see, use my tweezers. I can poke out these little holes. I cut these with the Cricut, so some of them didn't cut as well as others, but they are cut. It's just, you know, you need to help them out a little bit. So I hope you're all having a good holiday season. The new year will be upon us in a few days. Close to my heart is having a big sale coming up. And anyone who's already ordered from me, if you order again, you can, I will add all your orders together and give you all the kits that you might be receiving. At $100 or more, you'll also get a card kit. So that I showed earlier, you can look back on my videos for that video. I made that really early in case anyone wanted to make those cards. So you'll get your little fern branches, and I really like these. I have made so many of them already. And this is the title for the other one. You may get one in your kit. You may get both of them in the kit. I had a lot left over, so I just threw some extra in some kits. All right, so you're gonna get 4 branches for here. Then you also get a leaf branch. So this would all be glued together. And then you'll get some stars. And it'll have a glitter layer and an under layer, so you glue those together. And you'll get a red one, a green one, maybe we'll put green up there, and a yellow one. And you may get a big one too. Some of the kits I ran out of the big stars, and I didn't want to throw in more paper to make another big one when I had a lot of extra little ones. So 3 little ones. And you also have another pine branch to make. And it doesn't matter which one you put on top, which one you put underneath. I think the dark green ones are actually more, there's more to them. You can see it's bigger. That's the way that they designed it. So that's the way it cut out. And so this one would be over here with the star, like so. And let's see if there's anything else. Oh, 2 tags. And I believe you get a green and a red. And these go underneath here. And you'll also get 2 little, I don't know what you call those, the hole finishers. Okay, you'll probably get a brown one in the kit to go over the red one, but I don't have a brown one here, so I'm going to use that for representation. So let's see if that's all. So yeah, there's a brown one there. So another star down here. I put it here. Oh, see, this has the larger star. So that one, we can put the red star down here, so you have your visual triangle of the red. All right, and the title, it's really pretty. This one I actually stamped the snow globe in the background, so you can opt to do that. Like I said, this was my prototype. I thought it would be cool, and I tried to mask them off, but then when I stamped this particular one, it had snowflakes in the middle anyway, so it looks like it was meant that way, right? So I just said, I just might as well make snowflakes everywhere. You really can't tell, but you can stamp some of those images on here. And then, yeah, see, if I did this one, it wouldn't show up as much because it doesn't have any snowflakes in the background. If I had done that image here, is what I'm saying. So this is the one with the tree. All right, so let me pull out a couple of these. And that's the same one. This has the little scene. I think these are so cute. They're just like the perfect embellishment. And this snow globe, I tucked it right in there. All right, so that is layout 1, not glued together, because this one will go to somebody. So I hope you like that. Whoever gets this one will have it all stamped and ready to go. I may give them a blank one. All right, so again, there's the prototype with those colored. I colored them with colored pencils, and then I used my shimmer brush to add some like shimmer to them. I'll give you some close-ups here. All right, for the second one, there's just a couple things different. The background's all the same, as you can see. The 6 tags, I think I put them 3/8 of an inch apart everywhere to space them, and it looks really nice. I did 2 white ones here. You will have extras in yours, so you can use whichever ones you want. You can see there's 5 red and 1 brown, because that's what I had left over before cutting any more brown ones. So that's why this one, but you will have brown and red dispersed in yours. This was really cute. I like this one with the car, and I popped that up on some foam tape. And then this one is the other one, and it's the little house scene in a mason jar. So this is the second one. So it's generally the same thing, it just has the tags in it instead. So I hope you like that. This is really nice. It was nice using the layout from the Evergreen SVG kit. It worked really well to use with these stamped images. You could also make these and put them on the tags. You can put let me show you, a 4x6 photo over these. A 3x3 would fit perfect in these, but you can also put, this is the 4 1/4 by 6 1/4. So you could fit one here and probably one down here and rearrange how you have your embellishments. So that would be nice to fit 2 4x6 photos. It would just hide a lot more of the tags. If you want to do that, it's fine. And the title, you could move over the magic a little bit so that the 2 photos would line up. And golly gee, I hope I have that in frame. So yeah, I hope I was in frame all this time. I'm so sorry if I wasn't. So if you have any questions, let me know. But this is for the Stamp of the Month kit for whoever orders from me. And let's see, I'll be coming back soon with the catalog walkthrough. There's a new catalog coming out the 1st of the month. So that video will probably come out tomorrow. Okay? Have a wonderful day, and I hope your holiday was merry. Take care.